Vedic astrology is the oldest way of knowing your past, present and future, what you was in past life, why you born in this lifetime, what is the purpose of your life. This is the Vedic astrology, where we can see past life easily and we can tell present what is the effect is coming from past life in your life and how you can change this also. If you have some bad karma, bad energy, how you can come over it, how you can change it. Like suppose if you looking in your horoscope in past life, you give some problem to somebody or you give some problem to somebody. So this lifetime, suppose you have to be come out from your blood from your body. So blood can come by accident, by some knife or something. So not to go accident, just go in a blood in the Red Cross and give the blood like a donation. So you can be clean your karma by some remedies or something like that. This is the Vedic astrology. Actually, the Vedic astrology is the oldest astrology in the world. Astrology started from 5,000 years before. Western astrology started after the Master Galileo. Even they think the earth is square, not like a round. And Vedic system, you can know the past life. Western system, they don't believe on past life, they just go more personality. And Vedic system is go more deeply about what you did in past life, what is the result of this lifetime, and how you can come over these problems. And West system, they don't have remedies. They don't do. They just tell, okay, this is your personality, that's it. But Vedic system search also what problem you have it and how you can come over this problem. Vedic science is very different. We follow some rules of human rules also, like how people should connect with the self, and how, because in Vedic system, the Vedic science, you need work with your spirit and soul also, not only just for mind. We connect the physically, mentally, emotionally and spiritually. All four pillars, who's the pillars of Vedic science, we connect with it and we catch the things from the astrology. We use only usually in the oldest book, when they make the Vedic astrology, they use only the 7 planets: the Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus and Saturn. Later they introduce also the moon nodes also, the Rahu and Ketu. The Rahu Ketu, we work as a mouth of the Kundalini, the Rahu, and Ketu is the tail of the Kundalini, who is for every human beings have it, and we use this also in a predictive astrology. But we don't use Uranus, Pluto and the other planet. We don't use it. We use only for 9 planets. Our system depends only this 9 planets. There's lots of, all over the world, lots of famous people come here. But I am telling you one very experienced things. In 98, I was sitting in my office. One woman, she was a girl, that time period, only 16-year girl. Then I told her that in 2018, you will have twins children, but they will be black. And this girl was from Denmark. And Denmark girl, she's laughing, her mother was laughing. And she was laughing, said, not possible, because we are Danish people. How it's possible we can have black child? But I say, okay, it is in your horoscope. So then just last month she called me, she messaged me. She told me that, oh my God, you are absolutely right, because I didn't find any man from long time. So I take a sperm bank, I took some sperm and I conceived the baby. Then it was from the black man. And I have this child, twins child, but it's from black man. So it's really happened sometime, surprising things by the astrology. And she was surprising how you can tell 20 years before that this girl will have black twins child, and how it's possible. So these things happen in Vedic astrology every day here in my life.